Plug it in and get ready to rock.
Sit your ass down with the hands of the clock.
With Renegade Pineapple so sublime.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's time! Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to Ratchet Clank. We're on some kind of lava-based planet.
Oh, look at little doggies! Look at little doggies!
Little doggies. Get along, little doggies. Who the fuck is this guy again? These guys are everywhere. They're dicks. I hate them.
Yeah.
That thing really wanted you to get inside it.
Get inside me.
Get in me. Get on up. Down, down. Alright, calm down. Ease it now. That's it. You're done. Get out. Move on.
Oh, I don't want to move on. Oh, I see
Can
what
you
I
blow
was
up
supposed
that
to
door?
shoot. Yeah.
Yeah. I was gonna say. Nice.
Smoothly
Nice.
done.
Really fucking nice.
Right, which way am I supposed to go?
Stars there. Straight forward, and then... Oh no, can you? Go straight forward and across? Maybe?
See what's up the hill. But I know you're supposed to go the other way.
Yeah, well that's obvious, and it's right by the ship, so if there's two paths like there are on most planets, it's easy to come back and go that way. You might as well explore. Most of the planets have 2 missions on them.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Can you... No, go... Look left. Look left. It's across there. So maybe it's the way back. You can obviously go across there at some point. It's probably a way back
it's
if
a
you
lift,
follow the other path. It's a way back to the ship. Maybe this is a 1-mission planet. They couldn't afford the second mission.
There's another little doggy. And another little doggy. Oh, they were. They're dead now.
Not the poochies.
So we've got the...
You really screwed the pooch on that one. Oh, what the fuck is that guy? Get away!
Whoa.
Bombs! Run!
Whoa!
Run! Oh, those guys are bastards. Oh, you think you have to hit them, otherwise they blow you up. There's like fucking...
Hey, fresh meat.
Nuts.
Fresh meat. Hey, hey, hey.
There's another one there. Get it. You have to hit them. I think you have to hit them twice to stop them from blowing up and hurting you. Otherwise they're always close enough to hurt you.
Fuck. Oh, fuck.
Shit, I thought you made that as well.
Well, we're gonna have to do it all again.
Yeah, looks
Cool,
like it.
Yeah.
Get straight to that turret.
You've read my mind.
Hey guy.
Bye!
Look who's got the bigger gun now.
It's not a metaphor. I literally have the bigger gun. Where's that little... Hey, come back, I want to murder you.
Don't be too close to you. Just blow up the door.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Bye, woofer.
Nice. You didn't even get touched. Alright, prepare for this shit. Or run back into the tank. The turret thing. Ah, couldn't get there quick enough.
Yeah, I've still got health there. So.
Yeah.
Ah, that's an idea.
Alright, if that works.
It does not.
It does not. You can't run from them. You keep trying to run, it doesn't work. I don't think it's possible. You only just suck in the tiny things. It doesn't really work on the big ones. Can you suck in the pooches?
I think so. Oh, fucking hell. There's nowhere else to get help.
Nice.
Oh.
You were close. Do the same thing, just run straight into it.
Move.
This planet's hard.
Yeah, I don't like it.
So take out the spawner, that's the most important thing. They're cute.
Yeah.
Why couldn't you get those as a friend? Little robot dog friends, right? You have to hit them twice. Yeah, 100%. You keep not using the minions.
Oh, yes.
Why they exist.
Oh, yes. Yes.
They're your version of those things. They just run in and let themselves die to help you. And that guy. And these guys. Chuck one across to that side. Can you chuck it that far? Not really.
No.
Do your long jump and get over there.
Oh.
It'll be quicker because you're going to die again. Hey. Run a long jump. Drop a thing. Give that spawner. Yay! Safety. Things. Oh, they were too late.
I've got another cannon.
It's fine.
Fuck!
Oh, shit.
Fuck off.
Yeah, well done. Oh, most of them went in the lava then.
But the important thing is one didn't.
There's one there as well. They kind of blend in. They're quite hard to see. There on that. So there's the turret.
Got no more of those fuckers.
Oh yeah, you can blow those boxes as well. And all the stuff instantly comes over to you.
Right, how do I
Get
get
back where you came. Play it safe. And try and get back quickly. It's better to be alive than fast. They look so excited every time you walk past.
Yay, master!
He's back!
Oh, hey, master.
What would we do without you? There's probably a spawn up here.
Oh, there absolutely is a spawn.
Oh, You can't run from them.
Shit.
Stop, you're gonna die. Get the thing.
Oh!
If you'd got the health, you would have survived.
Don't say. Oh, fuck off.
Let's skip ahead to when you're there again, because fucking hell.
And we are back.
And we are back. To the puppers. Don't die immediately. Throw out all your minions.
Exactly what
Follow
I'm doing.
them so they can protect you. Get the help. Minions help! They were not quick enough. Come on, guys. At least
we
you're
were a
alive
team.
this time. Scope out through the door first. Before you walk into anywhere. See what's around, just in case. Shitloads of tanks. Health on the left. I don't think the tanks are going to attack you, are they? No, there's guys among them. Don't think you can even blow them up. Get the health on the left. Get the health first, before you do anything else. That's it. There's minion.
Why am I actually doing anything? Come on.
There's minion ammo on the right as well, isn't there?
See.
What is that one doing? She's doing tricks off the wall.
Yeah.
Little scamps.
I'm helping.
They're lucky they're adorable, because they're fucking useless sometimes. Alright, there's one of them on the turret, it looks like. Oh no, he's just behind it. Throw out some minions and then run to the turret.
I've run out of minions.
Just run to the turret.
I've got an idea. Shooting from here.
Yeah, use the blaster. If you can. No, you can't.
Bombs?
Run, you got two health. Get in the turret. Oh shit, they really fucking go for it though, didn't they? Well done. Nice back dodge. Yeah, devastate. That must shoot a little bit further.
I've got one.
Aim and then you might hit them. That's it. What the fuck is trying to make you hit? Nothing there. Nice. There's only one more. Get in the thing. Get in the thing. Why? Why did you not just be safe and get in the thing? You can't get hurt in there.
I don't know why it's getting me to destroy those, but
Yeah. Might as well. One more.
it can't be used against me in a court of law, so. Or maybe it can. Did you destroy those screens? I don't know.
We have proof of it on these screens. Oh no, hold on, wait! Oh, the screens are broken.
Oh, fuck.
Hit them. Stop running from them, because it doesn't work. How many
Health.
times are you going to do the same thing?
Right, there's health here. And I've got it.
Now this is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks super cool too. Oh, you actually wear it all the time? That's kind of cool. I was surprised you didn't wear the shoes all the time as well, those magnetic boots.
It'd be a bit of a hindrance, though, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but they don't have to be on all the time, I just thought it would look cool. Because it's like you're building a suit of armour.
Yeah, I think that's it. I can go back.
Yeah, so there's a platform there to take you back to the ship. That's the only thing on this planet, then. Which is good, because this planet's a fucking dig.
That was a lot of effort just for, like, one thing. Die.
And so where are the rest of the people from that, like, fucking advert that you watched?
Yeah.
Where's the scientists and those people?
Maybe they just abandoned it because those guys were dicks. So, like, you know what? Fuck being on this planet.
Imagine being in a position where you were like, fuck this, and then you just leave the planet. Not even like walk out of a room, you just like get in a ship and leave the planet.
Like, no, I've had enough of this. Bye.
Done with you, bye.
Well, we've got a helmet.
It looks cool. I like that you wear it all the time. It's a good looking helmet. It's real clashy.
Looks like we're going to go onto the holiday planet. First
What does
I'm
the
gonna get-
pilot's helmet actually do?
I don't know.
Just looks cool.
I think so.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice. Restocked. Get the fuck out of here.
Gladly. This planet full of dicks.
You guys were real dicks to me. I'm off this planet.
Oh, no. Please stay. We are desperate.
It's the only new place, isn't it?
Yeah.
But now we have to go to the resort.
And
I
then-
can't even complain about it. Then back to that gas planet.
Yeah, once you get the O2 mask. See what you can do.
Don't advertise.
I'm pretty sure that's not their catchphrase anymore.
Still.
Or it could be.
After they shit called me earlier as well in between episodes.
Hello. We noticed that you make YouTube videos. Would you like to advertise for us?
It'd be funny if that's what they were actually calling for. Don't know how they would have got my number for that though. Don't know how they have my number in the first place. I'm not on their fucking network.
Dear Cross, we wrote to you, but you still ain't called us.
Who's this fucking Dido? Who's this?
Yes. Oh, no.
It's not actually Dido, is it? Who's the
Eminem,
fucking
yeah.
character? Stan.
Yeah. Your
Is
biggest
it
fan,
Dido
this is
Sunday?
Dido.
Your biggest fan, O2.
Oh, for fuck's sake, keep doing it. Keep them going onto the map and then keep them just...
I know, you moan about it every time you do it. I'm aware of the situation.
Visit the
Sewers.
Sewers.
Who's going to come here and be like, yep, just going to
Yeah.
walk down to the sewers immediately?
Mario, clearly.
Let's go. This is just like a games resort. Mario's like, oh good. I can go down.
With a pipe.
I can go down to the doo 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 doo. Hi.
Sonic says, gold rings!
Become ravenous mutants?
Sonic's just getting fat on chili dogs.
Or became lunch.
Gotta go fast. It's just like really huge now.
one O2 mask left.
Even Wreck-It Ralph is here.
It's not for sale.
But you
Not for sale.
I said
Beat
I
him
had a
up.
deal, and indeed I
Oi.
did.
Beat him up and
Always
take
bring
it.
those Blarg ships,
Oh, for
Why
fuck's sake.
can't we be space criminals?
and you can use our jet fighter.
jet fighter, eh?
Oh, for fuck's sake, we've got to do another one of those.
Better
We've
not try to stiff
got to do a jet fighter mission now.
What's that? Is that not what you needed the pilot helmet for? Did we do all this in the correct
dick.
order?
You
Is that what the pilot helmet was for?
I think so.
Also,
Help.
why are you no longer wearing the pilot
Oh
helmet?
no, we got to get to that question mark.
We're going to
Help
go down
the-
into the sewers.
No, we don't get into the sewers
Ah,
for this.
good.
Help the owner for the O2 mask.
We've got to help this guy out. Where's the helmet gone?
Well, we got to go over to the other side
The
of the
helmet looked
planet.
badass.
Okay, I'm not liking these things.
Throw it. Instead of going close to them.
Aha. Or
Oh yeah, maybe. They are quite small. Yeah, that works. Nice. Shoot him with the pink thing. Don't know what it is, but I don't trust it. Oh, you're escorting him. He's following you, look.
look at the little happy steps. Tra la 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 la.
Oh, just nearly just fucking drowned because he couldn't have parked his fucking like space boat closer.
And I'm dead.
Aw.
It's okay, little man. We'll get you the. Oh, he's dead.
Genuinely, I'm really confused as to why you wore the pilot helmet on that planet and nowhere else. Why are you not wearing it now? What was the point of that? Why did we go and get that fucking helmet?
It was a novelty.
That's not a good enough reason. I'm gonna need more than that.
Look.
What was its purpose?
It was to look dashing. It's so I can eat cake in the morning. So I can fly to the cake shop. Come on. Fuck off.
Little stuff on that planet. Oh, that planet? Little island.
I think we come back to. We can swim to it.
Can't swim. Can you?
Yeah, he can swim.
I'm just not in open water. That's when he just drowns. Only swim
Whoa!
sometimes.
Did that thing just fucking shoot fire at me?
Yeah, well, it does. It's a whole deal. It's like the Pokemon Lapras, but with fire. And a big fucking head.
He's got a bigger head than. No, that's not the line. I was thinking of.
Can they survive in water?
Well, there's your answer. No.
Use the suck cannon again. You just stand at the side and suck them up when they jump. Oh no, you can stand up in the water. I like how this weapon is really useful, like 5% of the time.
And the other 90% is. What was the
No,
point?
95%.
Yeah.
It's kind of pointless the rest of the time. Just leave it.
But it must be something good in here. Is there a red
It's not
box?
health, so it doesn't fucking matter.
Yeah, that's what I needed. How far along are we? Right.
Oh, your bolt detector's going off.
It really matter though.
No, I'm just saying, I've never
Yeah.
noticed that it actually shows up in the bottom corner like that. I thought you had to be on the weapon.
Come on.
That's why I thought it was super useless, because you're not going to be on the same thing all the time. Why aren't you just using the suck cannon still? It's better, use this for this kind of group of them, but the suck cannon if there's only like 2 of them.
fish.
I like the way they hit the screen. You're nearly there.
Oh, yeah. Tosser.
So put you all the way back to the beginning. And we'll do this next time! Because fucking hell.
That was an ordeal.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Your leather daddy is here. Are you like a rival leather daddy?
Yes.
I'm a spandex daddy.